Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, and it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres.
I am just so happy for you and Matt, and to have another brother in the family. I am just beyond happy, and I can tell how happy you are, and I've never seen you like this before around someone, and it makes me very, very genuinely happy. So congratulations to you both.
Rachel, I just want to let you know how much you mean to me. I love you so much, honey. You're just an amazing, amazing human being.
Matt, I can see the best parts of the restaurant hospitality worker when you host others to a meal. I can see your respect for the lowest and highest on the corporate ladder, knowing that you've had stages at the top and at the bottom. I can see the nightlife enthusiast channel celebratory energy to put on the best events to date. Those of us sitting here today can only imagine what your kids' birthday parties will look like.
I also want to acknowledge Matt's dad that is not here. He's in heaven, but he's watching over you, and he's smiling down, and he's just very happy for both of you. He's so proud of you, I'm sure.
Marriage is about an unbreakable union, an unwavering commitment to each other, the ability to self-sacrifice, to openly communicate and listen to your partner. We also have this relentless pursuit of the best version of ourselves.
Take you, Rachel, to be my wife.
I, Rachel, take you, Matthew, to be my husband.
To have and to hold from this day forward.
For better or worse, for richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish all the days of my life.
This is my solemn vow.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a token of my love.
As a token of my love.
A sign of my commitment.
A sign of my commitment.
And a symbol of my devotion.
And a symbol of my devotion.
Congratulations. Think always about the commitment you have made in your wedding vows and honor that commitment. And Rachel, you have my permission to remind Matthew of that. Now, love one another as God loves you.
Rachel, you wouldn't believe how Daniel and I shockingly looked at each other when Matt first said he was going camping on one of your early excursions. As with all forests, You two have naturally grown deeper roots, taller ambitions, and broader horizons, while preserving what makes you both a very special couple. I and many here look forward to supporting that forest to continue to flourish with love, health, prosperity, pinecone art, and so much more.